All right, it's on. So we're here with hockey. Are you reeling it in?
No.
Don't leave it out. So we're here, my lacrosse goalie, Los again, and we're here with, yeah.
Hi YouTube.
Okay, Jesus, Ethan. We're in the same spot as we go last time. Hopefully catching a big catfish again. I don't want to cross the lines.
My SD card only has 1 hour of recording.
There we go. 1 sec. Hold on, I felt a bite.
Should I use this whole worm?
Yeah, use the whole entire thing. Hold on. Right in the middle. Got one? Bluegill. Bluegill, you have to take it off on the cloth right there.
Where is it?
Right there. Go on your island. Yeah, I got it. No, Ethan, go on your island. Cross it. Hold on.
Look at that.
Ethan, reel in. I crossed it. Reel in your line.
Oh, I caught something.
Ah, something took mine.
Oh my.
That's a huge bluegill.
Mine's bigger.
Big bluegill.
I'm gonna wear these.
Hold on. Los, compare it to your hand.
Oh, it
Holy
came out.
crap. Look at this.
Damn.
Throw it back in.
Oh, whoa.
Pick it up. Oh, stop.
Grab it behind you. Oh, there's another. That's fine.
Just threw it back in.
Here's my feather.
Ooh,
Oh, I took my
I got
worm.
pricked. I got pricked by the spikes on the. What?
Yo, yo, look what I found. Nice.
Use it. Ethan was using.
I was using one of them. Like that, it was really good.
He was using it last time, and it was like he caught a huge catfish first time. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it in. But those are mine. I don't think these are. Yeah. Alright. I'm just using them.
Yeah, how many boxes did you get?
2.
2? Alright. I'm gonna use for one for like a little bit, and then we'll go to pieces. Just wanna get a.
Right there. Come on. Yeah. Ethan, I'm just reeling in so we don't cross. It's not like seaweed here. What the hell? Close, can you hand me a piece of worm?
There's a cut up one in
Where?
the box.
Oh, I see. Bluegill?
Still got the word lucky.
Oh, crap, Ethan. Got it. Just leave it right there. Can you excuse me for a sec?
Yeah. Oh my god, I hope this isn't a bad one. I just want to get this one off. So many bluegill over here.
Watch out for my line. I think I put it too big of a piece of wool. Oh, little baby.
That's like a good, like, that's a good live bait right there.
You want to use it?
That is good live bait. I should have brought my book then.
Hey, Ethan, when you're done with the rag, can I have it? John, do it back. Here, you do it. Here you go. You'll do it. The hook is easy to get out. It's just a little baby. The hell? Grip it from the back. Grip it, quick. Jesus. Hold on, gotta give it some water, cause it's...
It's a little bad boy.
Do it, do it. Grab it. Jesus, you gotta get a good grip. There you go. Ah. Just get the hook out.
Easy.
Okay, bye, fishy. Yeah, I think I need a new room. Yeah, I definitely need a new one.
What?
New worm, small. Can you do that?
Maybe what?
Small piece of one, please.
Alright.
Look.
There you go.
Okay. Lost it?
Yeah.
How? Try getting it. Right there. Perfect. Now we just wait. I'll make it tight. trying to make the line tight. I'll get it.
Big boy, big boy.
Really?
Big boy, big boy.
Whoa!
Big boy.
That's a big bass. Bring it in. Oh, it's jumping.
Oh! Whenever I looked away,
That is big.
that's a good bass.
Yo!
That is a good bass.
Los, I'm gonna cast down and use that tree as a holder.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
I'm gonna take the Senko.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It's a good boy.
Lip it.
A bit?
Yeah, you know how to lip it?
Gavin, you gotta edit that out. That's weird.
You hold it, like, do this. Here, grab it. You do it, and then lip it.
I'm going wacky.
Don't cross over my line. Nope, the hook is right. Hook is. Don't do that. Let's get the hook out so if it flops, it doesn't hook yourself.
Okay.
I think I might have something. And no, I do not. Now lip it. Yes, you do.
Yeah.
There you go. No, wait, here. I got a picture.
Okay.
Look at me. Beautiful bass.
Oh yeah.
Is that your PB?
Yeah.
Is that your PB?
Probably. Oh yeah.
I don't got anything. I was
No
just.
way.
What?
It took my weight. Oh, I forgot the hook. Oh, I messed up. I forgot to re-clip my fingers.
Oh, wait, Los, don't. On. I don't know why, but my casting game's off right now. Yeah, just leave it there. I'm probably gonna ruin my canes doing this. Look at this. It's like quicksand. Oh, okay. Right in the middle. Got something big. Oh! Look at that. Look at that. It's a little baby largemouth. Look at that thing. Here, you done? Throw it back in. Throw it back in, quick. Just throw it back in. Here,
Dang,
put this
that's
on.
nice. Oh.
Put the fishing pole down. Just do this. Grip it from the back again. When are you gonna catch a bass, Los?
The heck down. I'm here to help.
Grab it from, don't grab it like that. You have to grab it. Here, hold this. Okay. Bring it towards me. Okay, get a firm grip. I gotta take out the hook. Take out the hook. I got it good.
Nice.
Kiss the bass. This is a beautiful bass. Bye, bass. Woo!
What a beaut.
Good bass.
Yeah.
What'd you catch? A little bluegill?
Good boogie.
Yo, Gavin. Go claim some land over there because these people are trying to come over here.
Yep, I'm going on Ethan's Island. Worms. Worms. Yeah. Oh, I got mud in my shoe. Really, haha.
That's a small one.
That's a nice, that's a pretty good bass.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's a little baby largemouth. Look at that thing. Yeah, you done? Throw it back in. Throw it back in, quick. Just throw it back in. Yeah.
Dang,
Put
that's
this
nice. Oh.
Put the fishing pole down. Just do this. Grip it from the back again. When are you gonna catch a bass, Lo?
Calm the heck down. I'm here to help
Grab
you,
it
fisher.
from. Don't grab it like that. You have to grab it. Here, hold this. Bring it towards me. Okay, guys, firm grip. I gotta take out the hook. Take out the hook. I got it good.
Nice.
Oh, you're lucky.
Kiss the bass. This is a beautiful bass.
Put it in a bottle.
Bye, bass. Woo!
What a beaut.
Good bass.
Yeah.
What'd you catch? A little bluegill?
Yeah. Little boogie.
Yo, Gavin. Go claim some land over there because these people are trying to come over here.
Yep, I'm going on Ethan's Island. Yeah, we got. Oh wait, I think I got something else. Bluegill. Blue Gigi. Here, Ethan, I'm coming. Yeah, worms. Here, Ethan. Can you do this?
God, it's so big.
He swallowed it.
Oh.
The hook. Los? Yep. Like full and swallowed it. Crap.
Might have to release it with hook.
Los. Here, hold this. Move it over. I just gotta get off my, rinse off my things. No clue.
Maybe even fifth graders. I'm not sure.
How do you think we can get this out?
That's not.
It's like in deep. Oh, that's some of the. Yeah, I'm sorry, but we'll have to cut it. That's cutting line. All right.
That's
Yeah.
cutting line. What are they?
Do you have any line cutters?
I have a plier.
Alright, where? Wait on, I think I might have something. That sucks. Just use a knife. Here. Where's the rag I just threw? Yeah, these kids are gonna try.
What?
These kids are gonna try and take our spots. Ethan, where's the rag I just threw? Here. Hold it while I cut it. Yep, they're taking the spot.
Fine, as long as we don't get tangled. As long as they don't steal our fish or get tangled with us.
So that just sucks. Now just set it down like that. Good thing is that there's like a couple like branches that you could leave your stuff on. What the hell? The hell? The hell? Put on. My thing just broke. Hold on. Something big! Oh, it came off! Hold on. I just had something. Holy! Wait, don't throw it in. That thing is huge. Los is kind of dying, so.
Why do you want me to wait?
Right upstream. That's it. Like a huge thing. Holy shit. You better get that thing off. Whoa. Yo.
Catfish!
Oh,
Catfish!
look at the size of this thing. Oh shit. Los. Jesus. Look at
Dang.
the size.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
That's a massive catfish.
That's actually huge. That's it, Los. This is the thing that's been taken. Here, Los, keep that in the water. This hook is easier to get out.
Nice bass.
No, wait, this is easy. You just gotta call on his tongue. Oh, wait. Stop here, Ethan. You hold this. Stop. I'll get this one out. Ethan, focus on. You guys focus on that one.
What the hell?
There you go. Oh, almost an hour.
Holy! Oh my God! That's a
That has to be
PB.
like at least 5 pounds.
That's a PB right there.
Nah.
Oh my God!
You have to see how thick this thing is.
Oh my God!
Look at how thick this thing is.
Holy crap!
What's that? Here, grab
You've
it.
got to be kidding me.
Grab it. Holy
That is the
crap.
biggest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, look at this thing.
Take some photos. This is an easy release. Do you want to take any photos?
Crap, I left my phone over there. Yeah, just release it.
Okay.
First, let me lip it.
Oh. You want to lip this
Oh,
big
it's
boy?
taking line out. Hold on. Yeah, come.
You want to lip this big boy?
Yeah.
Lip.
All right. Get.
Got it? Let me get my phone. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Pick it up with the rag, quick. Stop.
Flip it.
Hold it.
Oh, crap.
Hold it. Los, where's your glove? I saw it. Here.
You know you're gonna get roasted in the comments for
I don't care.
lipping it with
Look
gloves.
at this thing.
Here, let me get your phone.
Quick. Look at this thing. Look at that. Good?
Good. Good boy.
Bye. Goodbye, beautiful thing. That was a good bass.
Oh my God. That was the biggest bass I've seen.
Okay, release it. That was a huge catfish.
That was a big catch. That's my PB. That's my PB catch.
All right. Look at him. What is it? Oh.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's a bigger. Fire me up, please.
Go under.
Easy one to get out.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this thing.
Take some photos. This is an easy release. Do you want to take any photos?
Crap, I left my phone over there. Here, just release it.
Okay.
First, let me lip it.
Oh. You want to lip this?
Oh, it's taking line out. Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
You want to lip this big boy?
Alright. Yeah.
Lip.
Alright. Get.
Got it? Let me get my phone.
Crap.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Pick it up with the rag, quick. Crap. Goodbye, beautiful thing. That was a good bass.
Oh my God. That was the biggest bass I've seen.
That was a fat one. Got another one. I think. Bluegill. Oh, he swallowed the hook again.
What time is he looking at?
Hold this. Oh, there it goes. On. Give him a little kick. You're in. On. Go. I don't know. It's good. That thing was a huge. Here, get back on steel brain knot for me. Alright. That thing took the hook. Wait, Ethan, it took the hook. Get a new hook on. I think I have something. Get a new hook on.
Oh, that was my rod, dang.
Yes.
Oh, and that was my last, that was the last weight we had.
No, we don't.